What's up guys, in this video I will show you a project that brings e-commerce and crypto into one package. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Garage Sale It landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. Garage Sale It is actually positioned to be a global marketplace for the buying and selling of secondhand goods. So just imagine guys, 0.5% to 1% of the eBay transactions, which is about like 10 million daily transactions, and all of those transactions can be powered by the GSI Coin. It provides unprecedented and tangible token utility. Now, before the groundbreaking listing of the GSI coins, and as you can see here on your screen guys, I wanted to show you really where sustainability meets blockchain brilliance. Garage Sale It is a game-changing global marketplace that connects buyers and sellers and offers a user-friendly platform for buying and selling pre-loved goods. Now, that is actually a very good project to have, since right now guys, crypto and its utility is expanding into the real world where you could use crypto to pay for goods and services. This is actually also a good way to utilize the cryptocurrency and integrate it into e-commerce, right? Now, before the groundbreaking of the GSI coin, they are actually presenting the opportunity to get involved through the GSI Node network. Node owners receive GSI Coin daily as a reward for supporting the marketplace and by becoming a node owner. And you can see here guys, as it says, unleash rewards as a node owner, powering the Garage Sale It marketplace with your node, and we're here to reward your invaluable contribution. So these are your advantages of having your node. Okay, so the nodes are actually capped at 100,000, come with a dynamic price model guys. Look at this as an example. Okay, node 1 to node 200 is priced at $100 each, while node 201 until node 400 is actually $200 each, and so on. So for every 200 nodes sold, the price increases exponentially. So what they are doing is they are rewarding the early contributors or the early investors for the ones that purchase their nodes. Okay, so each day the node owners share equally in 50% of the daily coin allocation. So the earlier adopters gain a bigger slice of the lifetime distribution pie. So just like what I mentioned, if you came in first, then you get more than the ones that are coming in second, third, fourth, or the fifth batch of nodes. But again, you know, at the end of the day, all of you guys are earning out of the node investment that you purchased from them, right? So imagine, you know, the might of eBay's sprawling market, Bitcoin's towering value, and the substantial utility. Now, the ticket to such seismic opportunities might have slipped once. Now, with GSI Coin, the doors to monumental exponential gains have just opened for you. So go ahead and check them out guys. Do your own research. And what I also like about this one is they have a strong management team, all doxed. All right, and they have the skill set and proven ability to grow and expand businesses. So the project has clear expansion and growth plans and sets out the roadmap within the white paper. And let me go ahead and show you the white paper right now. So if you click on this one, it will take you here. All right, it is actually a 27-page white paper. Now you could go ahead and download that. Once you download that, it is a PDF file. And then you could go ahead and review that, which I strongly suggest that you review all the information available in their website, in their white paper, in their social media platforms, which I will also show you in a bit. So gliding through this white paper, there are a lot of information that you could grasp out of this one to know more about the project. That way you would know what are the advantages and what are, you know, the things, the roadmap and all that GSI Coin has to offer. All right, so I would leave that up to you guys. Go ahead and check out the white paper. The link is in the description of the video as well. This is their LinkedIn account. You could also go ahead and follow that. This is their Instagram account, so garage sale it. They have a lot of photos. This is their Facebook account. Make sure to follow all their social media platforms, so that way when they have announcements, when they have like giveaways, airdrops and all that, you will definitely be notified. All right, so they have their Discord, their Twitter, their YouTube account. So go ahead and click on Twitter. You can go ahead and follow the Twitter account. That way when they tweet something, announcements, giveaways, airdrops and all that, you will definitely be notified. And of course, make sure to stay until the end of the video. The end screen videos will definitely be a benefit for you for your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.